Okay team, this is just a quick little video on how you might use FlipGrid, and you've probably come to a page something like this on your tablet by following the link I've sent you. There's FlipGrid codes and so on. Every now and then this might look sort of different to what you've got on the screen because I'm doing it as a demo from a teacher's point of view. But remember, your task here is to have a bit of a play. Something that I'd suggest to you when you're dealing with a new application like FlipGrid is that you can't break it. So have a go. The worst it is that you might have to do is another 1 minute 30 chat to the screen. Don't overthink about this, just have a go at it. So look, I've got that on my screen, but if I go down a little bit further, it's got start the discussion, record a response. So guess what? I want to record a response. So at this stage, you'll see my lovely face show up. Here I am. Okay, make sure, of course, that you've got your mic facing you. It's a little bit disconcerting looking at yourself in the screen, but hey, that's what it is. So have that camera on, have that mic on, make sure you're recording it. Maybe that's worth a little bit of a test and play around with first. So here I am, I've made a bit of a recording. As you go through here, I can add text, for example. I might write hi. I might write hi, I'm your teacher, Mr. Wall. I don't know why I would write that, but hey, guess what? I want to demonstrate that I can write it. I should be able to drag this around. I might even fix up my typo in there and say I'm rather than whatever the heck that's spelt. Just make sure that whatever you put in here doesn't obscure your face. I might take some of this little bit out of here because what I want to do is get to know you. I can put in stickers, they'll bring up some smiley faces. Obviously I'm in party mode right now, so I'm going to put this up and I'm going to drag it over to here and I can change it and so on. Now I want you to play with these tools. It's a little bit of fun. We're not going to use it very often. But notice you can upload images and put customized stickers. If we were talking about something work related, you might want to put some sort of work on the screen. You can also, by the way, upload a video that you've made in another source. And instead of recording it, you just upload, say, an MP4 from somewhere else. So I haven't recorded any of that. That's a bit of a pain. I should have clicked record, shouldn't I? So to record, I simply do that kind of thing there. I know that you can figure that one out. It was a fairly obvious error to make. I've been mucking around with this. I'm looking at all the stickers. Make sure you hit record. Okay, remember, of course, I can delete things if I want to when it comes up. Okay, and here we go. And I'm done, right? So I just clicked out of there, away we go. Once I want to move on, I can pause my video. So it's paused, I can restart it. All very intuitive. On a touch screen it all works from there. These are actually FlipGrids designed for mobile phones even. So you can upload as long as you've got that code from pretty much anywhere. Have a bit of fun with it, play with it. Next. So this stage, I don't really want to hear myself, so I'm just going to hit pause, but you get the general gist of how this is coming together. Okay, I can do some editing, play with that if you want to. I don't want to. I'm going to go next again. All right. Now, FlipGrid's kind of funny. It wants to put faces to voices. There's a selfie mode. It's going to become like a profile pic. You can't actually upload and finish the task without putting a selfie in. Be aware you've got some options around there. You can import an image and so forth if you want to. Often in later tasks, you'll put an image of your work up here. But for the purposes of this, remember, I'm trying to get to know who you are. I'd love to see your beautiful faces, so just do a selfie, and the way you do a selfie, be prepared to smile pretty quickly. I'm going to put on my biggest, cheesiest grin on a 3, 2, 1 in a moment, and I'm going to do it now. Okay, so that becomes my slightly insane looking selfie. It's very unforgiving, it just straight away does it, and then I go next. Okay. So it says don't close the window. I'll put my name in. Okay, my demo, and I'm not going to put a link in there. If I wanted to link to some other sources and so on, that's the time. Submit my video. Now there's a bit of loading time, has a little bit of thinking, and at this stage it says my video is now visible. I go complete, and here it is. It has gone into the grid, and that's the job done. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of how to do FlipGrid if you're sitting at home wondering how to do your homework.